Hi, this video is brought to you by That's Great News, and it's going to teach you how to use annotations, probably the single most powerful feature available to you with a YouTube video. However, it's probably the most underutilized feature so far. That'll change as the months continue, but let's teach you how to do it. So first of all, you want to choose a video that you're going to annotate. But before you get into that, you got to make sure your channel's set up to do it. So the way this channel is set up, I'm going to show you how to get there. You're going to go to your what are called your YouTube settings. Once you get into your YouTube settings, look down here for View Additional Features. Okay. First of all, monetization has to be set. You have to have monetization turned on to be able to do that. It must be enabled. And they have a series of questions that you'll go through, but you need to make sure you've done that. Then you're going to come to the Channel Settings menu and go to Advanced. Inside of Advanced, there's this area called Associated Website. You need to not only put it, it will only accept your website, so you have to have one that's in your control. It can't be something else. But assuming you've built a video to then promote your own website, that's a good match, right? So put it in here, and then you're going to have to successfully verify it. Now they're going to give you several options, one of which is to upload an HTML file that they'll give you to download. It comes from Google. There's another option to go into your hosting account, whether that's GoDaddy or Network Solutions, somebody like that. There are a number of different ways to get it done, but you'll need to make sure you successfully verify your website. Once that's done, you're going to go into your video manager, select the video that you want to add a caption to. In this case, we'll choose this video. You don't have to go all the way into the video. You can simply click this down arrow and choose annotations. Now we're going to go ahead and add, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to add an annotation. So you click this button. I always choose speech bubble. So it shows up here. I'm going to say this is where you click. And then I can do some things to it. I can make it a different color if I want it to stand out. Let's say I want to make it this orange, and I want that to be white text on it. And I want the text to be a little bit bigger. So I can do that stuff, right? And I can change the orientation of this button, so it'll fit, and I can move it to where I need it to be. Wherever I put it, that's where it's going to be for whatever duration. So this video is 1 minute and 15 seconds long. So right here I might put 01 for a minute, and then 14, it usually won't accept the 15. And then we want to click this link button. From here, you're going to go down to where you see Associated Website. Now, if that doesn't show up, go to the top, and there should be, if you've done everything else correct, there should be a little item sitting here that tells you that you need to enable annotations. So you'll want to click that, and then when you come back in, you click link, it should be available. So you click Associated Website, and in this case, we're going to put it to That's Great News. And if you want, you can preview the link. I know that's going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and say Add Annotation. I'm sorry. Go ahead and say Published. If it's not saved, click Saved, click Publish, and it will publish it. Then it says View your live video here. And then whenever I told it to start, there it is. So now if I click this, guess what it's going to bring up? That's great news. So the power of this is you've got somebody to your video. Now they have the action to be able to go into either your homepage or a specific page within your website to continue with business, whether that's lead capture or actually buying a product. Hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.